Now, technical lines for President Trump for crosses, and we'll touch some exotic currencies. One of them. We'll begin with maybe the most exotic one, dollar Mexican peso. I don't usually follow this, but I don't believe we'll break above 2080, at least not now, maybe later. Again, Trump has called Mexicans very bad names, and I believe this will worsen relations. Perhaps the reaction was exaggerated. 20 level is worth mentioning, 2080 to the downside if we have further recovery. It's 1920, and below 1920 we have 1870, and below that the round number of 18. Let's go back to the currencies we usually talk about and crosses indeed. So Euro Swiss 108.12, nicely in range. I think 107.60 sort of line in the sand for the S&B, and these choppy moves over there are not only the various states in the United States that were called or not called, but also intervention by the Swiss National Bank. 108 to 110 is the level. I think 107.60 is the line in the sand. So I think we'll get back to range, and I think all hands are on deck at the Swiss National Bank. Euro pound, look at this big move here. That means that the reaction is asymmetric. So at first, we had the euro strengthening more than the pound, the pair rising above 90, making a break, eventually a false break. Now it's battling the line of support at 89.50, and further below we have 88.80 still holding, and 88. This could stabilize. I believe the pound does have an advantage over the euro, at least for the short term. The Bank of England has become neutral instead of bearish. Euro Swiss 114.70 at the moment. Sorry, Euro Yen. Big fall over there. The yen is the ultimate safe haven currency. 114.50 support. Further support 113.80 and 112. Resistance 115.80 and 116.50. And the dragon, the Gepi, British pound against the Japanese yen, support here at 126.80. Lack of sleep confuses me. Higher above 129 and then 130.40. I believe there is potential to the downside in this pair. 124 was the post-Brexit low. And topping off our talk about crosses and exotics, and also one commodity, oil prices. Oil prices fell sharply as news came out of a Trump victory. I believe it has more room to the downside, especially as OPEC seems unable to agree on anything. So 40 to 50 is a line to the downside, further 40 and 39. To the upside we have 45, 30 and 49.